Hello, my friends. Good evening. My name is Kibet Joffrey. Today, I will take you through a scatter diagram. How to draw a scatter diagram using Excel. I know most of you can draw this using a paper and a pen on a graph paper. But what if you are told, can you use Excel to draw a scatter diagram? Don't worry anymore. This is how we are going to do it. Now, we are given this data, maths, scores in maths and English. How do you draw a scatter diagram? First of all, let me tell you what a scatter diagram is. A scatter diagram is a visual representation of the relationship that exists between two variables. It is a visual representations of the relationship that exists between two variables. Now, let us now dip into drawing this diagram. First thing, let us first highlight that you need first to highlight this data, and then you click on the insert button, and then you go to the chart section. Under this chart section, there is this type of chart, the one with dots. You click on the drop down arrow. It will give you these types of scatter diagrams. You choose on the first one, the one with a lot of dots. When you choose on it, it appears like this. Now you need to add you need to add headings, and you need to add headings that titles to this chart. You need to add titles. What is the chart title and the axis title? How do you do that? We first come to this plus symbol here. You click on x-axis. Now, when you click on this x-axis, the titles appears here. Now we are going to edit the titles. Let us now edit the title of this diagram, of this scatter diagram. Here we are going to edit it. That is scatter diagram. On this other, on this other one, this one we are going to edit this as the scores in English. This is now the scores. This is the math scores in mathematics, maths score. Now, and this other one here, the English score. Now, this is we have labeled the diagram, the scatter correctly. Now, the next thing that you can do, we can edit the values, the x-axis and values. That is the x-axis values and the y-axis. To do that, you highlight on it, and then after highlighting, you right click on it, and then click on the format axis, and then you come on the right hand side on this menu. You click where do you want to start it. You can say maybe I want to start from let's say from 35. Let's say from 35. And then the highest on this side, on this side is x-axis is that is maths. S is 90, maybe into scale of 5. Minor, that is between the maybe 1 each. Now you see what happened. It changes. Now let us now edit the one for the y-axis. Now value, let us edit this one. When we edit it, format axis, you can also say start from 35. The highest there, the highest is 78. We can say the highest 80 now, and then measure scale of 5, and then we can even put the highest 90 to be the same, and then we just click like that. It appears like this now. This is now the scatter. It appears like this. The scatter diagram. This is how it appears now. The one from the maths is on the x-axis scores, and the English on the y-axis. We can go a step further and format this chart. We can also, on this brush here, this one, it will help the chart styles. Which style do you want? We can choose any style here. If you want to use this one or this one, there are different style here. You can scroll them. You want to use this one, this style, this style. It depends on you, on which style you want to use, because there are very many styles. So you choose any style you want to use as your scatter diagram. We can use this one as our style, as our scatter diagram. Or we can use this one, let this one become our scatter diagram. Now we need now to add colors. We can go on and add color. We can even add color to our chart title. We can go to home. You can put this as red color, and then we underline, and then we bold. You see, that is now you see how to add colors. You can also add colors on the x-axis labels. Let us use this color. Let us use we can also use this color, and then also this one we can use this color, the same color. Now you can also format the color of the chart itself. To do that, you click on this chart and come on change colors on the menu bar. You can come here. No, you can come, for example, to change colors here. You have the format chart area. You can choose solid or still solid, and then here down here we have different colors. You can add any color. For example, we can add this color, or we can even use this color, or we can use now. And then if you want to change the colors of the dots, we come on them, we click and you come on the change colors. You can change the colors of the dots. Which colors do you want to use? Let's say you want to use the yellow color, the blue color, or you want to use the blue color, or you want to use any color. Yeah, let us choose this one, this color. Let's say now you come here and then you change colors here. Which color do you want to use? You see, as you move along the colors changes. Let's say we want to change which color. Let's say you want to use this color, the blue color. No, let us choose another color. Let's see, you want to use this color or this dark color. So you see, the chart changes. That is how to change the colors of the chart and changing the labels of this chart. It is very easy as that. If this one is used, maybe you want to, so you just play along the 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 worksheet, and you have to know how to draw the scatter diagram. So this is the simple as that. First thing first, align the data, go to insert, click on this chart, and then click on chart, and then you format the chart. When you have this chart, you format. Thank you very much for listening. Before you leave, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.